Good morning, everyone. So today's topic is money. Money plays an important role in everyone's life. Without money, we can't expect our life for a second. Money fulfill our basic needs and happiness. In old era, there was lack of money. In spite of it, people were satisfied and happy. In old era, people used barter system to fulfill their needs. The barter system is a system in which they exchange the goods or products from those products what they want. But in modern era, there are lots of money. In spite of it, people are unhappy and unsatisfied. Their satisfaction level increases as the money they have comes. They are not satisfied what they have. The money can also break the relations of mother, father, and brother, sister also. So you hear the line, you almost hear the lines, the बाप बड़ा ना भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया. So it's true. When money comes to anyone, he forget all his relations. Even money can affect the love of mother and father also to their children. And the purest relationship, marriage, also can affected by the money. So this it's all the mindset of people of society, because money never said that you can discriminate between whom I have or whom I have not. But people can make a difference wall between the rich person and poor person. When the if a rickshaw and car get accidented, everyone can blame a rickshaw puller. No one can blame a car driver because he is a rich and he have a car. So everyone can blame rickshaw puller because he is a poor. And poor people can sleep peacefully because he have no tension that one can come and rob me. But they are happy and satisfied in only few manners. They are happy and satisfied only few manners. But there are lots of conditions in which they are unhappy and unsatisfied. Suppose if a poor children wants to be get educated, but due to lack of money he do not take admissions in private college and schools, and he take admission in government schools. And you know very well the facilities of government school. And if we talk about disease and hospital facility, so poor people cannot afford the treatment of private hospitals, and they do not able to pay the bill of private hospital, so they go in government hospital. And we know very well the facility of government hospital. Because of this they may die from very small disease like typhoid, malaria, or severe fever. Death is natural, no one can have control on it. So on that time money become useless. And suppose if a person get accidented and his hand or leg cut, so he don't find a natural leg or hand. So on that time money also become useless. And money cannot satisfy everyone or give happiness to everyone, because people committed suicide in both cases. Either they have no money, or they are in debt, or they have lots of money. Many years ago I heard a news that one family committed a suicide because they have lots of loan on their shoulders. In this family, a husband, wife, and the two daughters, and their whole family ate poison and committed suicide because they had too much loan on their shoulders and they can't able to pay that loan. And some years ago we also heard the news of Sushant Singh Rajput. He had lots of money, name, fame, everything he had. In spite of it, he committed suicide. So money have no power to make everyone happy. And the people who have lots of money or rich have always feared that no one can come in my house and rob me or get attacked on me. Recently we heard a news of Saif Ali Khan. He have lots of name, fame, everything, but one person came into his house and attacked on him by knife, and he got injured and got hospitalized. So those persons who have lots of money, we also suffered from many problems. And money becomes hazardous sometimes. There are lots of disadvantages of money also. The if we see if a rich people or a boy of rich family drink and get accident to someone, police catch them and take him in custody, but after a few hours they get a bail and released from police station. This all because of power and money. But if same thing done by a poor child, so they live in a lockup and it's not easy for their parents to get them bail easy. And if a poor child see to a rich child that they have luxurious life, he had lots of expectation arises in his mind, and he also wants to become like that. And in search of lots of money and luxurious life, he go in a wrong way like robbing and become a thief and take contract to kill someone. We see that in our locality or in our society there are many robbers and thieves. They all are belongs from poor community because they are always in greed of money, in search of money. And there are many rich person, if he have any blood feud or personal issues to someone, they give contract to that type of person who are very greedy and give contract to them to kill on that person, and they take contract and kill that person immediately. And there are many greedy people who kidnap the person of rich who kidnap the rich child and ask for ransom to their parents, and if their parents gave them ransom, in spite of it they kill the child, because then you see he see our faces and he tell to the police about us. So, according to me, money is important for everyone. I don't say lots of money important, but money is important because there are many middle class family and poor family who sacrifices their lots of desires, future goals and aims also due to lack of money. And at last, I say that you should always thanks to God that He gave you a luxurious life, because there are lots of person who are poorer than you. So you see them and being satisfied. And at last, I say that you must be satisfied in what you have.
Very good.